Meanwhile, there's concern if the rains extend to other areas in St. Andrew, it will be déjà vu for residents living in the vicinity of the Chalky Gully in Bull Bay. Kirk Wright explains why.
Back in 2020, a buildup of sand and stones washed downstream into the Chalky Gully. This resulted in extreme flooding of homes on Wees Road in Bull Bay.
Everything off a choke.
No lives were lost, but many were turned upside down after the sand and mud ended up in their houses, covering, in some cases, all household items. After that dilemma, the National Works Agency organized the cleaning of the gully, but now all that has changed. The mouth of the gully is once again littered with mounds of debris of all kind, believed to be dumped by truckers.
We have road, pieces of road. We have pieces of fiberglass, roofing material, cement bags, bricks. You see a lot of steel. 2 Saturdays ago, the Jamaica Environmental Trust JET organized a cleanup of the area. I heard beach cleanup and I thought, let me wear the appropriate shoes. So I wore my slippers because I thought, yeah, that could deal with the sand. But when I got here, I was surprised, to say the least. Road construction material, debris from houses that were demolished, old fridge, just about anything you can think of, any kind of debris, it's here in the Chalky Gully. I remember after Wees Road was flooded out, the government got heavy duty equipment and they cleaned the Chalky River. It was as clean as a whistle. Now, just look at it. It's packed with debris, and I can tell you, once we get a good shower of rain, all this debris will be going directly into the sea. JET CEO Teresa Rodriguez Moody is appalled at the state of the gully and the seeming reluctance of the regulatory authorities to respond to her calls. We've written letters sent to NEPA, NSWME, NWA. We've recently spoken to KSAMC, and we just haven't had the action that we're hoping for, because the dumping still continues. The problem is actually getting worse. It started on the beach and now it is going up into the river, as you can see.
The Deputy Superintendent of Works at the KSAMC visited the area on JET's request. Yakeni Bini said the KSAMC was clueless of dumping happening there, but said the matter would be placed high on the agenda of the newly formed Clean Kingston subcommittee. It's a gap in the system that we definitely need to plug, and His Worship the Mayor is not trying to take over any responsibilities or roles of the NSWMA, but he has formed a Clean Kingston subcommittee where he's trying to address it in terms of coming up with different methods, different practices that we could maybe bring forward to the NSWMA, push forward up the line to see how we can address issues like this. The illegal dumping starts from the road leading to the gully bed. Domestic waste is among the items. On our second visit to the area, we saw fresh tire tracks and new loads of garbage.
Actually, what the community tried to do was to do some kind of a mound to prevent the trucks from passing, but they've just created another route. And as you can see, there's a road and they're driving all the way up into the riverbed.
The police say they frequently patrol the area but have been unable to make an arrest.
They are being ably assisted by others who watches the police for the most part and communicate with the truckers when the police is close or around, and they will stay away. As soon as the police is not around, they will do the dumping. They will do it at night. They choose various hours. You just turn up in this space and you see new loads of dump.
He wants residents to tell the police what they know.
Whenever, whatever time, just make the call. The Bull Bay Police Station has 2 numbers, 525-6810, 967-6810.
JET wants approval sites with proper monitoring to be set up. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.